Hello guys, welcome back in my shed. My name is the Old Mechanic. And what are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm busy on my son's BMW S1000R. Today we're gonna use the MotoScan app to cycle the ABS pump. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. It's easy and it prevents the pump from getting stuck. As when you are a driver that not get the ABS pump into action, then it's wise to do this at least once a year. It's easy. You can do it on a sunny day or whatever. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, what do we need? Guys, this is what we gonna use. The MotoScan app. But this is the hardware for it. You need the cable. This one goes to the diagnostic connector of your bike. And on this side we're gonna connect the Unicar scan, which is a Bluetooth ODB2 interface. This one. Look in the description below. You can find links to the tools I use. Now, first, over here is the diagnostic connector. Get the cap off, cap out of the way. Get the connector onto it. Okay, then plug in the ODB2 interface. A red LED is already shining. It means it gets 12 volts, so that's good. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Grab your phone. On my phone I have installed the MotoScan app. Okay, then even kijken, let's see guys. The MotoScan app, oh wait a minute first. Starten. Okay. Okay. Even kijken deze. Okay, MotoScan app here. Here we got the MotoScan app. And as you can see, I have the MotoScan app Ultimate. It's the most, the biggest version. And it costs 50 euros. It's barely nothing. The first thing we're gonna do is watch over there, the adapter check. That's easy. Yes, there he is. We have 3 times ja, and that's yes in English. 3 times. In green, always good. Then guys, this is an S series. And it's the K47 S1000. And we will have a look. On top, the anti-brake system. It's now connecting. First thing we always do is read out fault memory, the fault codes. No trouble codes found, which is good. Then we go to the service functions. Bleed the front circuit. Now that's what we're gonna do. I have to squeeze the brake lever in a moment. Bleed the front brake circuit. And then continue. You can read all the warnings if you want. Then it says, I have to squeeze the front brake lever 3 times for 2 seconds. And this will flush any trapped air out of the pump. Now guys, I can assure you, there is no trapped air in this ABS pump. So this is only for getting the pump into action. So perform the operation. There it goes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That was all. And now we do the same with the rear brake. So come over to that side. Now bleed rear brake circuit again, and then perform the operation. Hop, there it goes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Job done. Now guys, we're gonna close the MotoScan app. Hop. Hop. Okay. Hop. Now guys, this was my video. It was a quick one. How to cycle your ABS pump after a brake fluid change. I always do that after a brake fluid change. That's a nice point in time. Yeah, what can I say? It's easy. The only thing you need is the MotoScan app. It's only for Android. But guys, if you have an iPhone, buy the cheapest Android phone you can find, you can buy. Put the MotoScan app onto it. You only need Wi-Fi, so you don't need a SIM card inside. And then you're good to go. And the cable and the OBD2 interface, that's all. There is nothing more. We're gonna put the bike off ignition. Take the stuff off. Put it back in its cage. Carry pouch thing, each. Put the lid back on. The cap up. Yes. Then now guys, that was my video. How you can cycle the ABS pump on a BMW S1000R. Was it difficult? No, not at all. Just a few tools, MotoScan app, the cable, the interface, actually 3 things. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up, also good for the YouTube algorithm. Hit the notification button, also Very interesting. And I would say for now, old mechanic out. Out. Op. Eens even kijken of dat hij nog iets. Op die. Deze. Op. Die. Yes. Nee. Even uitzetten. Dan zit ik hem daar verkeerd erin te bonjouren. Die kant uit. Dat doe ik altijd met dat ding. Zo. Deze. Dan zeggen nee. Die. Nee. Die. Die. Dus. Oké. Position. MotoScan heb. Video opgeslagen. MotoScan heb. K-series. De KDS. S1000R. Basic. Electronic suspension. Instrument. Cluster. Stride. Engine electronics. Memory. Shift lever sensor. Throttle codes. 2 counts. Wait a minute. Okay. Shift lever sensor. Delete. Clear throttle codes. Okay. Then go back. Off. Off. Okay. S1000R. Die. Shift lever sensor. Die is er nog altijd. Oké. Throttle codes. Delete. Clear throttle codes. Oké. Die is er nog steeds. Live data. Parameters 38. Gear lever position. Oké. Clutch switch. Oké. Side stand switch, starter switch, oxygen fan. Okay, done. Gear lever position, clutch switch. start even in. Okay.